see, box just retraced its move. Let's see here. Now box, wow, we missed that. I mean, pull this in here. The thing has already covered its, in less than 5 minutes, it's basically covered its whole gap. So skip box. Yeah, I don't know what the news was. We're gonna have to figure that out later. Okay, let's see what else is on our market. Has settled in. It's basically where we were, off just a touch, like maybe 10 basis points. Going through here, not seeing a whole heck of a lot, but in general, market showing strength.